Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change your website icon in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to change your Squarespace site icon, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Then click on this website button below your desired website. From this left side menu, click on this settings icon and go to favicon. This is my current website icon, and to change it, just you can remove it or click on replace directly to upload your file from your computer. Double click your new website icon from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. Now that the upload is completed, click on save, then close this window. To preview your new website icon live, go to settings, domains and emails, then domains. Click on this built-in domain and select your built-in domain and go to the incognito mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you can see, my new website icons started showing, and this is how to change your website icon on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.